The ST's going to Gridlife, baby. But guess what, dude? I got a little surprise. I got a little baby surprise for you. It's okay. Ooh, tricked ya. Not a cold start, tricked ya. It's okay to get played once in a while. It's not that big a deal. It's okay to get played. And I just played you. Damn it. Oh! We're going up to Lancaster to go stay in a hotel the night before, baby, because guess what, pal? I'm going to Gridlife! Yeah, boy! Frankie! My boy. You made it, brother. Good to see you, man. Frank brought out the Vet, new project. You guys haven't seen this yet. Sneak peek on my channel, I guess, technically, but dude, this thing is gonna be so fun to drift. All right, guys, we're heading up to the balcony. Oh, look at the drifting, baby! Look at the smoke! Oh, yeah, dude. Sorry if the camera's like shaking. I can't really contain myself at this point. Hold on, let me see what they got going on here. Oh, what's some angle? Oh my gosh, look at this angle. Oh my god. Fucking badass, dude. It slides really well.
Anything went like this?
I know, that was dope as I wanna be him, I wanna be him. No, I'm kidding. Dude. So gnarly. Yeah! Got the word, we're cruising out. This is the driver. Man's a beast. Yep. Yeah, tall boys for the win. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we get proud in here.
Yeah, I believe it.
You like fit? Oh yeah, I fit. I can't see.
See if you move, try to move. Oh, you're good. Okay. Hold that fucking camera, dog.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna hold it.
All right. We had to pull back in for lunch as we were literally going out onto the track. So that was a massive tease. It is what it is, baby. We'll be out here. We'll be back in this car in 20 minutes. Boy. Oh yeah, we're back. Oh, we're in. We're in, baby. So I almost wasn't able to ride in the car because they just started doing no ride-alongs right after that last session. I told them I was media, which I am, and he let me do it, dude. I'm the only one doing ride-alongs, baby.
All right, we're warming up the tires right now because we're about to send it to the damn moon. I can't believe that I'm able to do this. This is insane, dude. This is like a dream come true. Feeling pretty, I'm not very nervous. I'm actually just excited. This is gonna be sick, dude. Thank you for taking me, by the way. I appreciate it. That's a really fun feeling. I don't know why I died though. Guys, I don't know how to... Whoa. Like every time you initiate, you're gonna lose it, but then you fucking hit the gas, and it just rips forward. I lost it that last turn, though. Yeah, but dude, the first initiation, I didn't know that when you, I mean, I thought it would just slide further up, but it launched you forward. Yeah, that's interesting. Oh my god. Yeah, that wall, if you don't commit to it, it's scary a little bit if you don't.
Dude, thank you for that.
Yeah, no worries.
I appreciate that, dog. That's a fucking experience. I'm probably gonna ask to go again later if that's possible.
Okay.
Oh, that's an experience I'll never forget. I can't believe I did that. Now I need a drift car too. 400Z drift car?
I don't know.
Alright, buddy. Ready to see what happens?
Want to take it easy?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll try to get the momentum and see how it goes.
Yeah, take it nice and slow.
Dude, that was so fun.
The beginning I was kind of got, and then I got lost again.
Dude, you had it. You had it in the beginning for sure.
Hit the corner thing.
Yeah, hit it hard. You smoked that cone. That cone, you made that cone your bitch, bro. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna be good. Woo! Hey, Frank! What the f? Frank! You just hit that so clean! That was so clean!
So we just had a driver flip his car drifting. Never seen that happen in my life. I was in the car drifting, not the car that flipped obviously, but I was out on the track. I didn't see it happen, but I just got shown a video of it. Fuck. He's okay. He's okay, but dude, that is super sketchy. I've never seen a drift car flip in my life. So this is the car that flipped. Obviously, not a very common thing you would see in a drift kind of setting, but unfortunately he hit the wall and he got sucked into it, rode the wall, and literally, no joke, basically did a fucking kickflip. So his roof is somehow completely unscathed, and I'm not sure how that happened, but thank God, driver's okay. He sent a picture to the guy who built the cage saying thank you, which I thought was kind of cool, kind of funny at the same time. But he's in good spirits, he's good. It's just something that you don't really see very often, especially in a drift setting. It's just kind of odd. So there's the car though, man. Damage is not good. That's gonna end it for me at Gridlife today. Super thankful that I was able to come out here, ride in like a super crazy drift car, have a really good time with all my friends. It was crazy, and yeah, I just wanted to say I appreciate all the support, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.